Hello friends, let us share about my knowledge in how to trigger the process based on queue because now mostly process users used in a single purchase in a single but they have multiple processes there. In case some if you go to SAP side means some purchase side, some purchase requisition, PO order, sale order, different processes there. But different process run in single but create separate process and then integrate with queue and trigger the multiple process based on multiple process triggered in single process based on queue. Okay, first we enter the orchestrator page, UiPath orchestrator. Then after we first create some folders because in last sections I show how to create machines folders and how to connect the robot and orchestrator. If you have any need clarification means just watch the previous video and come back to join this video. Okay, I'm already connected the studio and orchestrator and already I have created some folders and integrate with users and machines. So now I just directly go to my modern folders. Then I created two queues because I just trigger two process only. Just I have an upload process and queue process. Then that's not add queue, create a new queue. Just I show in a simple test demo for your clarifications. You don't give any descriptions or anything. You just give add. It's added in the queue process. Okay, I delete this one because we not need this one. Okay, then after this I created two process and add to trigger in this both queue. If we have a two option is there. First option is we go directly in trigger, add a trigger. Sorry, it's first come to queue, then create upload process, then give add. Okay, just is an one way, and another way is directly come to in our queue. We create our queue, then click this more option button, then edit, create sorry, I create a new queue. Then after I show in properly test demo. Okay, then after we create options, add trigger, we come to queue. It's directly get it the queue name text demo. We have multiple options there. Okay, just give name or select a process. It's an anything. It's if you click process means you just trigger and give any name. It's an our testing purpose means testing. Okay, then after that we deleted that one. Then choose our user account. If you have two options, this is our user accounts. It's my mail id and another one is run as myself. If don't give us our username means if directly get it run as myself, it's directly get our username in our systems. Okay, you give machines, then you give this one, then add. Yeah, trigger is process. You just add this way. Okay, then after we create on small process of demo process. It's just a simple get it on get IMAP. After a create just on for each, then first loop our mail id because that's an check if we have any mail in approved process. In approved process means we add queue items. Queue items we create added a queue name approved queue. Once if you have any mail in approved subject, then we trigger the queue items. Queue item means this process, approved process. Okay, upload process, we don't have any data in this particular sections. You want to see trigger, we get some notification message. In our testing purpose, I have created some other two process, an approved process and rejected process. In another case, if we don't have any approved process means subject means we get another reject subject. Once we get reject subject means we get some other message. Okay. Okay, we don't give any other data, just given our queue name only. It's just a rejected queue because we created same name, correct? It's a rejected queue. Okay. Okay. Okay, then how to just we go to trigger some other process. If once these process are completed, we just publish the process. Just published. Once before publish, we check it our studio folder name, because this both JB folder and this I have a JB folder because in our orchestrator I created same JB folder name. Both folders are same, then only reflect our project in our particular folders. Okay, then just go to automation, then process, then add process. I am already add this new demo because this is my project name, new demos. Okay, I already published this one. I'll just on the before the creating this video. Okay, once I add process, this is not a big one, just add process. So already we published, so I get it package name. This is in my new demos. Okay, process get once add, and after go to jobs, then start, then add a start process name. So non, we give a username, machine name, just start. Okay, we don't have any mail, sorry, because we don't have any mail for read. But first just I enable the this particular mail is unread. Then after we trigger the process, we get some output. Okay, job start, add a process, new demos. Okay. Okay, once if we start the process means if we get first it start a new demo process. Once it's completed, if we get already mail means upload mail, so it's trigger the upload process. Okay, yeah, it's now if upload process is running, we get some output. Hello dear, you have now been queued in upload process. Okay. Okay, it's completed. Once if you get a rejected process means this also we will check it. Okay, just same process. This is our testing purpose, so I will show both mail. If you which mail we received a which mail, then only we trigger the based on subject. Okay, based on subject we trigger the process, because last time we get the upload mail, so we get the upload process trigger. Now we enable the rejected mail process, so we trigger the rejected process. Okay, rejected queue process is successfully, then trigger a rejected process. Hello dear, you have now queued in rejected process. Okay. Okay, thank you friends. These are a simple, I just show demo for just two process. If you need a 10 process, means if based on subject we differ the different subject different process and trigger in different process based on different subject using this type of queue process. Okay. Thank you, friends.